Bitcoin in a post-pandemic world, resilience and opportunities. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, has demonstrated remarkable resilience and presented numerous opportunities in a post-pandemic world. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated certain trends and highlighted the importance of digitalization, financial sovereignty, and alternative investment options. Here are some key aspects to consider regarding Bitcoin's resilience and opportunities in a post-pandemic world. 1. Digitalization and contactless payments. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the ongoing trend of digitalization and the adoption of contactless payment systems. As people became more cautious about handling physical cash due to hygiene concerns, the demand for digital payment options surged. Bitcoin, as a decentralized digital currency, gained attention for its ability to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Its blockchain technology ensures secure and transparent transactions, making it an appealing option for a contactless future. With the increasing emphasis on digital transactions, Bitcoin stands to benefit from the broader shift towards a cashless society. 2. Store of value and inflation hedge. The massive fiscal and monetary stimulus measures undertaken by governments worldwide to mitigate the economic impact of the pandemic have raised concerns about inflation and currency devaluation. In this environment, Bitcoin's unique properties make it an attractive store of value and a potential hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed at will, Bitcoin has a fixed supply limit of 21 million coins, ensuring scarcity. This limited supply, combined with its decentralized nature and global accessibility, has positioned Bitcoin as a viable alternative for those seeking to preserve their wealth and protect against potential devaluation of traditional currencies. 3. Institutional adoption. The post-pandemic period has witnessed a significant increase in institutional adoption of Bitcoin. High-profile companies and institutional investors have recognized Bitcoin's potential as a store of value and a long-term investment opportunity. For example, Tesla, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, announced its investment of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, while companies like MicroStrategy and Square have also allocated substantial portions of their treasury reserves to Bitcoin. Institutional adoption brings credibility, liquidity, and increased mainstream acceptance to the cryptocurrency market. It signals a shift in perception, with more established entities recognizing the value of diversifying their portfolios with digital assets. The involvement of institutional players provides validation and stability to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, attracting further interest from investors and potentially driving Bitcoin's price appreciation. 4. Financial inclusion and emerging markets. The COVID-19 pandemic has underscored the importance of financial inclusion, particularly in emerging markets where access to traditional banking services may be limited. Bitcoin, as a decentralized digital currency, has the potential to empower individuals in these regions by providing them with access to the global economy. With the use of mobile devices, individuals can participate in Bitcoin transactions and remittances, bypassing the need for traditional financial intermediaries. This can foster economic growth, reduce poverty, and enable greater financial autonomy in emerging markets. Bitcoin's borderless nature and low transaction fees make it an appealing alternative for those who have been excluded from traditional financial systems. 5. Technological innovation. Bitcoin's resilience during the pandemic has further validated the underlying technology it is built upon, blockchain. The pandemic has accelerated technological innovation and sparked interest in exploring blockchain solutions in various sectors. Beyond finance, blockchain technology has shown promise in areas such as supply chain management, healthcare, and identity verification. Bitcoin's ability to operate in a trustless and transparent manner has inspired further exploration of blockchain's potential applications. As the world seeks more secure, efficient, and transparent systems, the technological advancements and innovations driven by Bitcoin and blockchain can create new opportunities for businesses and entrepreneurs in a post-pandemic world. 6. Regulatory developments. The increasing prominence of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, has prompted governments and regulatory bodies to adapt to this new financial landscape. In a post-pandemic world, it is expected that there will be greater regulatory clarity and frameworks to govern the cryptocurrency market. Well-defined regulations can provide a stable and secure environment for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, ensuring consumer protection, market integrity, and fostering innovation. Regulatory developments can also enhance investor confidence, attract institutional players, and facilitate wider adoption of cryptocurrencies. Striking the right balance between regulation and innovation will be crucial to maximizing the potential benefits and minimizing risks associated with Bitcoin in a post-pandemic world. In summary, Bitcoin's decentralized nature and accessibility make it a powerful tool for promoting financial inclusion in emerging markets, enabling individuals to participate in the global economy. The resilience of Bitcoin during the pandemic has further validated the potential of blockchain technology, sparking technological innovations and applications across various sectors. Additionally, as cryptocurrencies gain prominence, regulatory frameworks are expected to evolve, providing a stable and secure environment for Bitcoin's growth. Striking the right balance between regulation and innovation will be crucial to harnessing the opportunities presented by Bitcoin in a post-pandemic world. That's it. For more videos, subscribe our channel.